Demarai Gray, inclusion. How you feel about that?
Ecstatic. Ecstatic. What more can I say?
Yeah. Um,
This is something that we've wanted for over a year.
we've been calling for it.
And it's finally happened amidst controversy, amidst ups and downs. We hear say, oh, them can't make it happen, so it not go bother happen. We hear say the Margaret is no longer interested. We've heard so many things. But right now, there's only one thing that we do know, and it's that the Margaret will be in the Nations League squad. The Gold Cup squad, sorry. And the Nations League squad. And the World Cup qualifying
He'll
squad.
be in the Jamaica squad going forward. And that's what we've been asking for. Obviously, we did an interview with the Gensec, Dennis Strong, the other day, and he told us that it's confirmed. Working on some other players, but Demarai Gray was definitely confirmed. The other day we heard, we are different, and we started to question. What information seems to check out now. I post a picture up on the gram and I make the fans know them debut. You see me? And the caption reads, while I'm proud of what I have achieved in my football career to date, there is still so much I want to do over the years to come. It's time for a fresh challenge, and in my eyes, there's nothing more exciting than playing for a team that represents my family roots. I've always been proud of my Jamaican heritage, and joining the Jamaican team is a dream come true. With renewed ambition and exciting plans in the team's pipeline, it feels like the perfect time to take this next step, and I can't wait to prove myself to the country and earn the right to represent Jamaica. I like the tone of the message.
Yep.
I like the tone of the message. It's not coming off as, oh, I've always been here, but just, I'm just a walk in because, I've always been. It's almost like, I know I'm an Englishman, I have Jamaican heritage. Let me show the Jamaican people that then I'm worthy to wear the shirt. It's something that I admire in players that, when they represent Jamaica, they make you feel like you appreciate and understand what it means to represent, this small island. You see me? And I like the tone of the message. I like what I say now, and I believe what I say. It sounds like he also is looking forward to something new. Even in his club career, he got the move to Everton. It's not quite going how we expected. He's probably going to want to move very soon. This challenge is probably the right one for him at the right time. What do you feel about Demarai Gray and him being so excited to play for national?
I have two words, bro.
What
One word, come on, I try to pronounce him first. Balagan.
Talk to me about Balagan.
Recently take up the work for another CONCACAF team. In fact, I think at this point our only CONCACAF contemporary, yes I said it, United States of America. And he came on, played very well in his first game, and his second game, in a finals, scoring a well-taken goal. Like it was played through, perfectly weighted, and he just took it up, finished it one time. That's what he's been doing all season, right? And we saw him go there in Vegas and do it with sheer ease, sheer consistency. And how lucky America are to just pick up a forward on such great form. And him to carry the form over, right? Unfortunately, we don't really have a chance to pick up somebody brand new on that much form. The last we got was probably Ethan Pinnock, who did come and translate his form to us, right? Not even, because he played like crap in the Panama game. So we didn't even get the immediate translation of form from England. But what Balogun has brought to America is similar to what I expect Demarai Gray to bring to Jamaica. Not necessarily the form. We don't want that Everton form. Please leave that in England. But the talent and the quality and the ability to create chance and the ability to score goals. I think that's exactly what Demarai Gray will bring to the nation, and I cannot wait.
I'm excited to see it. And even it's what we've been asking for. Doubling up kind of going to be a problem. Imagine a front four of Liam Bailey, Demarai Gray, Mikel Antonio, Bobby Reid, or Shamar Nichols.
Yeah.
Who do you double up on? Who you send a extra man to help to defend? Demarai Gray have the ball on the wing. You're concerned? How many players they send at him? No.
Bro,
when we hit you at the left.
Demarai Gray will just push it up doing and cut in and kick it and go no further.
I've seen it. he did it against our team last season. You get me? I say we know the quality of this player, and hopefully we can get into that Jamaica. You see me? So,
Bro, we see Mikel Antonio bring it.
mm-hmm.
Mikel Antonio came to Jamaica and immediately became our best player. Can we see the same from Demarai Gray?
Hopefully we will. Hopefully we will.
I remember the translation of form. That was one player that we got, Mikel Antonio, on prime form, carrying it directly into the World Cup qualifiers. So that was our Balogun in that situation. I'm just hoping for this team to just come to fruition.
Yeah, no, Antonio was
I just said that
Antonio,
earlier. Yeah, man.
Antonio, come on.
Antonio carried the form.
Yep. Big X see for cricket in play.
He play football.
Hector good.
Bro, Hector's a good servant to the country, and Hector's played some good games and played some good tournaments for Jamaica. Sneaky, good amount of football Michael Hector play for Jamaica. When you think about it, but sometimes people come and they go.
That's a part of it.
Mm-hmm.
Dujan